Welcome again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. For you today, my wife's favorite. What is it? Best garlic bread. And now, when I say the best, trust me, this is the best. They're very easy to make. You can make a lot if you're going to have a party or a get together or just for a snack. Trust me, I make this at least twice a month because my wife keeps on demanding more, and even when we have a barbecue they want it. This is absolutely delicious. Garlic flavor, butter, and guess what? Topped with mozzarella cheese. Yes, cheese mozzarella. Let me show you how to put this together. Grab a working bowl and let's add about 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. You can add more if you're going to make a lot. Now add 5 to 6 garlic cloves, and they should be minced. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. About a pinch to a pinch and a half of dried oregano. About 1/2 teaspoon of hot chili flakes. Now this is going to take a little bit of work, but I know you can do it and your mama would be proud. Just start mashing and mixing and moving it all around until it is perfectly blended, just like this. And trust me, this is really out of this world. Grab yourself some fresh French bread and just cut it in about sizes like this, or you can do just have it right down the middle if you want. And now I want you to cut them in half here and slice our slices into half pieces just like this. So I'm going to finish the rest off, and here we go. Now this part is easy. Just butter your butter sauce or mixture onto the bread like this. You don't have to put too much because it's going to run off. Just enough to basically paint it like this. Okay, here we go. I want you to put it on the tray with some baking paper just like this. And now, are we finished? No, we're not. You grab some shredded mozzarella or any other cheese that you like and just put it on top like this. And now what I'm doing is I'm filling the little holes here and there that some are missing. Now into an oven at 350 degrees, I want you to use the top grill, and I want the rack to be in the middle, and let it go for about 10 to 15 minutes, but please keep an eye on it. And voila, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's take a look and see exactly how does this look. Oh, absolutely awesome. And believe me, it is crunchy. Are we finished? No, we're not. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add green onions on top. You know, green onions just goes perfect with everything. And you can even use chives if you want. Now let me bring it just a little bit closer so you can see. Now this is absolutely perfect, and you know the cheese has melted perfectly. The butter and the garlic has penetrated into the bread, and when you bite this, you're going to hear something that I love. It's called crunch crunch. You have to try this. It's very simple to make. It's very fast, and everybody will love it. So please make extra, and you can even freeze it for later use. So once again, I want to say thank you for watching my video, and it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.